Imagine turning a single email into thousands of dollars in revenue. This isn't just fantasy, it's the proven power of email marketing in action. Welcome to Marketing Hub, the place where business growth secrets are revealed. Today, we are diving deep into email marketing, a direct marketing superhero that sends stellar messages straight to your target audience's inbox to enhance your brand's engagement and sales. With its evolution from bulk newsletters to personalized content and automated journeys, email marketing has become a must-have in every marketer's arsenal. Central to email marketing success is the email list, your VIP club of subscribers. Segmenting this list allows for targeted, highly personalized communication. Pair this with captivating content designed to meet your audience's diverse interests, and you've got engagement in the bag. Through email service providers, these tailored messages navigate the complex digital landscape to reach subscribers. Analyzing campaign metrics then helps in refining future strategies for even better results. For a deeper dive, our digital marketing course can equip you with the ins and outs. Link is given in the description box below. True email marketing magic happens with personalization. Just like Starbucks, which saw significant engagement from their personalized birthday email offers. Taking a cue from such brands, leveraging automation can lead your email strategy from generic to genuine, with each subscriber feeling uniquely valued. A/B testing and mobile optimization are your best bets for ensuring your message hits home. Don't forget adhering to laws like GDPR, that is General Data Protection Regulation, not only keeps you compliant, but also elevates trust with your audience. A strategic blend of newsletters, promotional emails, and transactional messages cater to varied marketing goals. Newsletters help maintain a steady dialogue with your subscribers, while promotional emails are perfect for driving sales. Transactional emails, when optimized, elevate the user experience. Amazon's personalized order updates are a prime example, blending essential information with tailored product recommendations to enhance further sales. Even with a solid strategy, challenges abound. Deliverability issues can be minimized by maintaining a healthy email list, while engagement drops require innovative re-engagement campaigns, like Sephora's We Miss You discount invites. To keep your content fresh, continually evolve your strategy based on subscriber feedback and new trends. In wrapping up, it's clear that email marketing offers a unique channel to directly connect with and engage your audience, turning clicks into customers. By embracing personalization, strategic planning, and ongoing optimization, the true potential of email marketing is within reach. Ready to master email marketing and revolutionize your digital strategy? Don't forget to check out our comprehensive digital marketing course. Link is given in the description box below. If this guide has sparked some inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Marketing Hub. Share your email marketing wins in the comments below. See you in the next video.